What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today is day 15 of 30 days of RV tours. We're halfway through this series, but today we are checking out this small B+ RV that's great for couples. This is the Thor Gemini 23TW. Alright, so this right here is the 2025 Thor Gemini 23TW. This RV is a B+, and it's got lots to offer, so let's go ahead and check out the specs before we tour the outside and the inside. Alright, so this RV has a gross vehicle weight rating of 11,000 pounds, a total length of 23 feet 7 inches, a total height of 11 feet, and this RV seats 4 and sleeps 3. Let's go ahead and check out the outside, and then we'll head on to the inside. Alright, so this right here is a Gemini all-wheel drive, which is really nice. It sits on the Ford Transit chassis with a 3.5 liter EcoBoost turbo engine, and then it's got this beautiful full body paint that is quite an expensive upgrade. And then you've got a slide out that extends for the whole length of the driver's side of this RV. Beneath the slide out is 2 compartments, one of them which has an onboard propane tank, and then the other one is just for storage. So this right here is quite a large slide out for a small RV. You've got frameless windows, and then you've got the Gemini all-wheel drive logo on the side. Beautiful full body paint, outdoor shower, power hookup, city water connection, and then you've got a storage compartment on the outside, which is pretty big for the size of this RV. And then on this slide out, you've got an awning topper, and then on the back of this RV, you've got your on-demand hot water tank, and then you've got your water tank flush, and then beneath that is your license plate holder, and then beneath that is a trailer hitch that has a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds and a tongue weight of 500 pounds, so great for towing a small car. Then on the campsite, you've got this nice armless awning. Most of them have arms, this one doesn't. Then you've got a 12-year structural and 6-year lamination warranty. I absolutely love the full body paint on this RV. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, but I'm ready to tour the inside of this 23TW. So when you first come in, you've got this really nice huge skylight up above the cab, and then over by the door you got a TV above it, and then you've got your controls for your both the coach and the solar, and then you've got a fire extinguisher down below, and then this nice handrail that assists you as you come in the door all the way to the front seats. So these seats are really nice, and then these seats actually flip around so you can use it as extra seating in the RV. Then you've got your display. This right here is pretty much just a standard Ford Transit interior cab, because that's what it is. But you do have this mirror, this rear view mirror, which I believe displays a camera view out the back, so that's nice to have. And then above, since there is no bunk above the cab, you've got this little storage area that wraps around. Then you've got this little cubby over here that's got USB charging ports. That way you can put your phone there and charge them. Up above the dinette, you've got these large cabinets, and then you've got a roll-up blackout shade. And then check out the floor plan real quick. But this right here is a nice dinette. It turns into a bed. You've got drawers under each side, but you basically drop the table, and then you've got a bed across. Now this is nice because if you have maybe, say, a couple that they want to bring their grandchildren with them, and you know, it's nice to have, since you don't have a bunk above the cab, it's nice to have that extra sleeping spot in the dinette. Back here you've got a queen size bed, more cabinets up above, similar to the dinette, and then next to the bed is your kind of like a wardrobe area with 2 large mirrors, and then down there you've got your fuse box, nice deep drawers, and then the mirrors actually slide across, and there's a dresser behind it. Over to the kitchen, you've got a large refrigerator, pull-out freezer, and then up top is your fridge. And then let's head into the bathroom, where you've got a small size vanity. And then you've got some cabinets that sit up above the toilet. And then you've got a large shower for this size of a motorhome. And then you've got a plastic foot flush toilet that sits up on kind of like a raised ledge. Over by the sink, you've got this tall medicine cabinet that goes all the way to the ceiling. I absolutely love when they actually put it to the ceiling. You got your towel holder, and then you've got your hot water heater controls. Now let's head into the kitchen. So we already checked out the fridge, but you've got a 2-burner Dometic cooktop, and then beneath that you have your microwave, which is, it's a little bit on the smaller side, but hey, it's a microwave. Nice large deep drawers, and then a cabinet for your trash can, and then you've got a large round sink. It's nice to have a large kitchen sink because a lot of RVs lack in that, and it's nice to have. And then you've got one of these power hubs with USB Type-C, A, and 2 GFCI outlets. And then you've got a flip-out countertop to extend the space, the prep space in the kitchen. And then you've got 2 really nice-sized cabinets up above the kitchen. But let me show you something real quick with the TV. So I'm going to sit down on the dinette and show you the view. So from here, it's a pretty good view. But from the other seat, I don't know if you'd be able to see it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. But that is going to do it for the tour of this 2025 Thor Gemini 23TW. If you guys enjoyed this RV tour, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Till next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the road.